guys. I just woke up. I've got Carrot and all ready to go out on a day of adventures. Going out on an adventure, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, let's go out on an adventure. Well, I'm not even sure what we're gonna do today, so let's just see what happens. Yeah. Is that a puppy dog? Is that a puppy dog, guys? I think we found a puppy dog. Hello, little fella. How are you? I think we need to get him some help, guys. He doesn't seem to be doing that well. Hey, come with me. Gonna get you sorted. Gonna go to the shops. Gonna buy you some food. Let's go. Let's go. Here we found person. Let's see how much some food costs for you. 1 gold coin. I need to go get some of my money. Let's go get some money. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? I'm sure he's not stuck. I want 1 bit of... I'm gonna get a few bits of meat for you. There we go. Now, where are you? Oh, you're right there. You want this? Do you want this? No, you don't want this. Yeah, guys, he doesn't want it. What happened to your stag, sir? Let's give this back to you. There we go. It's just let's leave it there. Okay. Hey, dog. Hey, doggy. You want your food? Yeah. Okay. You'll have it a bit later. Okay. I see. I see. You want that food a bit later. I've got my carrot. Okay. Guys, we found a stray puppy. I don't not even sure what just happened there. We found a stray puppy, guys. Yeah. Let's head home. It's getting dark out yet. See, the sun's starting to go down. I think we have to head inside now. We'll have fun with you in the morning. We need to think of a name as well. Ooh, we need to think of a name. Yeah. Let's head to my bedroom. Are you coming? Are you gonna stay down there? You're coming. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now I see you guys in the... And it is morning. Lovely, lovely morning. Guys, I'm gonna try and think of a name. So let's head to the naming station. We've made it to the naming station. This is only for 1 day, kid. Other than this, it's going at the end of today. So use it whilst we can. And if you want to name something else with the naming station tomorrow, you have to head to our station. Thank you, sir. Thank you for telling me that. How much does it cost? 10 gold coins. 10? Whoa! This is expensive. They're stealing all my money. Just give them. Here's your 10 gold coins. Just to name my dog. Okay, I'm gonna do 6 names. Yeah. Okay. So I've got your names. We've got cat, dog, food, Jeff, Bob, Dodd, and Dave. So I was hungry when I wrote these, so that's why. Okay, what one will win? What would you be called? Jeff. He is called Jeff, guys. Okay. Thank you for letting me use your machine, sir. It's a bit of a price. Do you want to use the name tag that you got? I did just say that to myself. Of course I want to use the name tag. There will be another 10 if you want to use the name tag. Another 10? Yay. I'll give you 11 just because they are kind service. Very, very kind. Now let's head home, Jeff. We're almost there. It's just a little bit further. We can see the naming station. Yeah, I didn't like him. I didn't like him, guys. Okay, let's open up the doors. You coming in? Yay! He likes me, yay. Do you want? He's now Jeff. Yeah, we got Jeff the dog. Now where'd he go? Where'd he go? He was sitting by the front door the whole time, guys. You ain't going out for a swim, do you, Cam? No, you just want to sit here. Okay, then that's fine. Yes. Let's just sit down here and enjoy it. No, I can't be sitting down. I need to be active and go for a swim. I can't be sitting down. I can be dancing. No, I don't want to dance at the moment. I'll just sit down. No, I don't like dancing. I'm not good at dancing. It's just like, I'll be dancing. No, I'm not going to be dancing. Down the slide. Woo! 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 And splosh. Woo! I forgot. I can't swim. Somebody help. Guys, Jeff's all grown up. Look at him. Who you gonna put? You grown up now. Yeah. This has been a fun day, but I am very tired now, and it's getting dark again. We've got a new friend. Yeah. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode, my first episode of my first adventure. And if you do, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. I was talking about seeing you in the next one. I'll see you on my next adventure. Dan. Okay, Jeff's gone. I'm going to sleep now. It's past my bedtime.